So let's start. So we are going to be setting up our video ads layout. So the page, we are creating a video ads that can be displayed on mobile. So there's a particular size that is used for mobile video ads, and that's what we'll be setting up first. That's what we'll be setting up first before we start any creation or any editing. So what we'll do, we'll come to this plus button that is here on your phones, then you click on this plus button. So it's going to give you different layouts for different things. You can say document, if you just want to type a document which is A4 size, whiteboard, Instagram reels. So in case if you are very inclined to social media, you always make posts on social media, you can easily come here and create a short reel video for your Instagram account, and also for Facebook. Facebook also has reel, so there's Facebook cover, different templates and so. So what we'll be working on, we are creating a video ads for a mobile video ad that can be displayed on mobile. So video ad can be displayed on systems. The size of a video that is displayed on system is quite different from the way to display on phone. So though those sizes doesn't mean that those sizes cannot be displayed on any kind of device. It will be displayed, but it won't fit the screen. So if you are using a mobile, you are creating a mobile video ads, the way it will display on screen will be kind of small, but the way it's going to display on the mobile phone is going to fit the entire screen, making it more appealing. So what we do now, we are going to choose mobile video. I know most of us not all of us, I may be wrong, but not all of us may have access to a system. So on our phone you can easily use this format. So we are going to click on mobile video. You can see the size, take note of the size, which is 1080, that's 1080 pixel, 1080 pixels. So that's the measurement size they use to measure a video size, mostly for the screen size. So this is a mobile video size. So if you use this, it's going to fit any mobile device at all. So you are going to select this size. So what we'll do, we are going to click on it. So it's going to create the interface. So you're going to click here to make it more presentable. So this is the interface. We have succeeded in creating a video layout interface. So you can see it's blank, so we are starting from scratch. So though there are other tools we can use, some quick templates if you are not a patient type and you want your job to be done fast, so you can quickly use those ones. But since we are learning, we have to start from scratch so that we can be able to understand how the tools work. So this is a blank page. So first, what we are going to be using, I'm going to be promoting a computer system, a laptop. So that's what I'm going to be using for my own video. So you can also select any product that you want to promote, any product at all. It can be a baked product. If you're a caterer, it can be maybe a product that is unique. You can take picture of it, and one thing we need to take note is that our picture must be of good quality. I need to emphasize that it must be of good quality, so that because you are presenting it to a larger audience online, so they need to usually say that picture speaks. So aside doing you creating a video ad, the quality of the picture you use or the quality of the product you are using for that video ad, it will speak louder. Truly, it will speak louder. If your product is good but the picture you are using for your video ad is poor, even though it's good, it has a lot of benefit, it will still not be attractive to the larger audience. So while your product is good, you also have to have a good or a quality picture of that product for your video ad. So please take note of that. Any picture you want to use of any product, either big product or anything at all you want to promote, you can just make sure it's of good quality. Let's start with our product. So we are going to start uploading our product. So on this place, upload. So any image, any video of any product you want to advertise, you have to upload them first on Canva. Yes, you have to upload them first on Canva. So under this upload menu, this is where you're going to find all content, either video content or media content or any kind of media content, music, imagery. This is where you're going to find them, and this is where you upload from. So you're going to click on upload. So you can see different images. So I've already uploaded the laptops. And some other items I'm going to be using. So like I said, if you have not yet uploaded any of the items you want to use, what you can do is you click on upload files. So it's going to take you to your phone storage, internal storage, for you to locate that particular product or that particular media content you want to make use of for your video ads. And mind you, while doing your video ads, always put your logo, your brand logo. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you are going to upload the product you want to use. So I have mine uploaded already, which I told you I'm going to make use of it. A laptop to create video ads to promote that particular product, a laptop product. So you can think of any product you have on your phone. It's just a practice, just for you to practice. So think of anything you have on your phone, then upload on Canva. So I'm going to make use of these laptops. You can find them here. So I have about 7 of them here. So this is the image I want to use. So I'll click on it. So you can use any product that you want to use. So I'm using this. So as I'm going to click on animate. So I'm going to select any animation. You can see pop, white, red. So any animation at all, you can see it's been applied on. You can see it's been applied here. So I'm going to use thumb. You can see animate both. You can see animate both on enter, on exit. So this both covers both on enter, on exit. So when it starts playing, this is how it's going to appear. When it's going out, it's going to disappear. So you can click both and you come back to this. So the next you want to add our text. So I'm going to use other your quality laptop. So at the top you can see the size here, increase and decrease font size. So I'm going to kind of decrease it. So I'm going to change this order to get your quality right up. Get your quality laptop. So I'm going to add a background color. So you click on this more option button, then you click on effect, then click on background. So it's a dark background that is there, which is still okay. Get your quality laptop. So next we are going to add animation to this text. So we are going to click here on our text. So it has applied on both. So you always remember to put it on both so that the effect can be applied when that object or text appears first and when it is disappearing. So the effect will be applied there. So after clicking this, I'm going to add my logo. That's the brand logo here. I'm going to add it. We're going to add it at the middle here. So I'll come to upload. So make sure you have the logo. So you design a logo, you upload. If you have your own company logo or a business logo, you can upload it the same way you upload the picture of those products. So this is the logo I have. So I'll click on the logo and it's going to appear on my design. So this is the logo here. This is the logo here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to add either an order now button, or I can put dim, there's direct message, so contact. So either way, so there must be a call to action in every ad you create. A call to action. Okay, after they have seen your video ads, what do you expect them to do? So there must be a call to action. Okay, do you want them to call? Do you want them to order? Why are you creating this ad? Is it just for them to see? Well, it's not just for them to see. You want them to make purchases of what you are presenting to them. So you can create a call to action section close to this logo. You can have any other idea that you want to, any other idea you have picture on how to lay out your content. You can try it. It's not compulsory you follow this step. So just for us to get familiar with the basic, that's why I'm going through this for you guys. So this is where I'm going to put the logo. So I want to add a call to action, text here, and that text will be order now. Yes, order now. So I want them to buy the product. I just want them to see the beautiful laptops or the quality laptops I have there. I want them to buy now. So I will leave this at 60. So I'm putting it on a white background, so it's not going to come out very well. But what I'll do is I'll come to this more option and click on effect and add a background, like a red background. So you click on this, background effect here, then you click on this color, then you click on show them is red. Let's use bright red on this bright red. So what I'll do, I'm going to add animation to my logo also. I'm going to add animation to my logo. And on the order now, so let's play and see. So you can see the animation appear. You can notice something. You can see the picture and the get your quality laptop, they disappear. Why? Because we applied both. We applied the animations we added there. We made it to be effective when it enters and at the end of that particular section of that video. So that is why it disappeared. But you can see the logo and the call to action text we put there did not disappear. Why? Because we just said okay, it should just apply when it appears. Yes, so when it disappears, the effect should not apply because there's no disappear options that we added to it. So what we are going to do, we are going to add disappear options, so that will be on both. So you can see the difference after I've saved this. So it's going to be on both. Now let me play again. So you can see they disappear. So like that is for the first product. Now this is page 1, page 2. Now this is just page 1. Now if you have like you want to promote a product, you have 8 different picture, or let's say 5 different picture of that particular product, and you want them to display on the ads. Now you can see just this first page, it just contains just one picture of it. So what we do next is this plus button here. You're going to click on this plus button to create a blank page. So depending on the number of items you want to promote, you keep on creating the page till you meet that number of items. I hope we get it. So I have about 7 products I want to promote. So I'm going to create what, 7 pages. Yes, because each page will carry a particular picture of that product. I told you 7. You can have less than that, no problem. You can have 4 of that, you can have 5. So depending on the number of pictures the product you want to promote will determine the number of page you create. So this is the second page. So what I did on the first listing, what we did on the first listing, that's what we are going to replay on the second. So what we do to make it easier, since there's a call to action, the logo which will be displayed all throughout the whole 7 products I'm going to be using. So what we do, we just copy both the logo and come to the next page and paste. You copy the order now and come to the next page and paste. So what we'll just be changing is the picture and the text that is close to the picture. So we'll come to our upload again and we select another laptop, let's say this. So I'm going to crop this a little bit and enlarge it. So I'm going to add a text. So what I did for the first, that's what I'm going to do for the second, third, fourth, fifth, till I get to the 7th listen. So you can do the same. So one thing is your logo and your call to action button. So that's what the 2 items you're going to be repeating all through the 7. So that there must be a call to action. So start designing. This is the last product I'm going to be adding to my video ads. So this is the last product. So I'm going to the last product. So there's this effect you can apply to your order now. So the reason we are using order now is just to drive the effect is good, is going to drive the attention of the viewers to that particular call to action button to make it stand out. So what we are going to do is we are going to come to this and the animation effect. So you click on the order now, you can click more option, you can see this animate, if you remember. So don't mind what is there, is because we have applied an effect before, so that's why it's bringing baseline. So that's the present animation there. So we click on it to change it. So you come to this place, pause. Now if you notice, my call to action is like how will I say it, is like pumping, like a heartbeat. So there's no how people will not people's attention will not be drawn to it. Why? Because you don't just want them to just look at the quality product and posting out there or come and buy. No, you just that one will drive their attention. So don't just look at, don't just pass and go, but take action. Order it now. Order now. So that is the reason, the meaning of that effect there. So that's where I put it. So I've applied it to all of my products. To all of my products, you can see the order now is beating. So you are trying to catch up their attention that okay, don't look at my fine product, don't look at my quality product. So I want you to take action by ordering, take action by purchasing, take action by DMing, by sending me a message on WhatsApp, or let me and ask about the product so I can sell to you, or so I can know how to deliver this product at your doorstep. So that is the reason why we are using that effect. So I'm going to add animation to this. It's going to be on both. Then we'll be done. So there is one step we also need to take. So I'm using this four product for my ads.